Hello, Jim from Tech Buzz back in the video. We've got an exclusive in Ireland. We've got the Miami from Urbanista. Enter a journey into sound, and it comes in this really nice presentation here. So we're going to open it up and we get a nice card inside. And inspired by the city's vibrant pulse, Miami is our latest active noise cancelling headphones available for stylish colours. And we're going to go through them features anyway. And that's it there, so you want to pause that and have a read. And a little personal letter on the back, which is a really nice touch. So here we go, again, excellent presentation. So we'll just let that pop out there. And there we have it. So we have got this really cool colour, compatible with Android and iOS, Urbanista Miami active noise cancelling. So on the side here, model is Miami, and that's it there. And this is what we have up on the back, and that's what you can see there. So you've got active noise cancelling, ambient sound mode, 50 hours playtime, 40 hours with ANC, on-air detection, Type-C charging, Bluetooth 5.0, and compatible with Android and iOS. And you have other little bits here explain a bit more. And of course you get a travelling case as well, which is nice. Aux cable, USB-C charging cable, and airplane adapter. So they've really upped their presentation and packaging this time around, and you get a few extras as well. So here is the case, and inside you get your warranty card and your manual here. So this is just the features on it there. So all the features are going to be on one side there. You can see on both sides actually if your battery indicator status and all that. We'll go through all that in a minute and we'll have a look. So let's have a look. I'm really looking forward to seeing these. So you get a nice hard case off the bat, which is nice. And here is the headphones here. And my God, they feel really premium indeed. So let's have a look at this first. So we have got in here, you get your 3.5mm cable there with an inline control, and it does have Urbanista branding there. You get your USB-C cable, and again it's got Urbanista branding on them as well, and your travel adapter, so hopefully you can use this pretty soon. So that's nice to see. So you got all that inside, which is really nice. And here is the headphones themselves. Really, really nice. No creaks or anything like that. Your left and your right. And you do have a sensor there, if you can see it. That's for autoplay and pause, so it knows when it's off. So you have this extension on each side. And again, no noise out of that, and that's metal, it's not cheap plastic. These have really got a really nice build indeed. And you've nice cushion on the headband as well there, as you can see, and the cushions on these look really nice. So I'm going to quickly just drop them on the head there now. Yeah, really nice seal, and it does isolate a lot of the noise. So on this side here, we've got Urbanista. You've got your USB port and your LED light there, and a button here. And that button is the feature button. And on this side here, you've got your controls for your music and so on, your 3.5mm head jack, and you've got a mic there as well, and of course the Urbanista branding there. So pretty nice. So they do swivel, like so. And there's a little bit of movement here, as you can see on the actual headphone itself, on the cup. So really, really nice, excellent build quality, and they look really cool indeed. Big change in their game from previous, not that was that wrong, but the materials used here is nice. These really stand out and make a statement, which is really nice indeed. And that's pretty much it there for the unboxing. So if you've got any questions, you know what to do. You can ask down below or ask us on social media, and we'll check them out over the next week or so and let you know how they sound, and we'll come back to you with a full review. And that's how deep the cups are there. And again, you can see the sensor there for auto play and pause, left and right. So yeah, come back to us. Any questions, feel free to hit us up, let us know, and we'll gladly answer you. Looking forward to testing these out. They look really sweet indeed, and as I said, the quality of material is really nice as well, and the colour is cool. It's a move from the traditional black, and I really like this colour indeed. So we'll talk to you soon.